Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency. Learn what cryptocurrency is and get the information you need to decide whether investing in it is right for you, with the help of this guide to cryptocurrency. There's more than one way to look at just about everything, especially when it comes to your investments. In times of recession or even a pandemic, you may feel financially stuck or think that you can't build wealth until the crisis passes. The truth is, every financial crisis comes with opportunity. When the economy is stressed, there are often more opportunities to invest at a discount, meaning you can buy potential investments for a low price and build wealth faster than normal times. With this guide to cryptocurrency, we provide information on everything you need to know about one of the most accessible investments you can make. Learn exactly what cryptocurrency is and how people use it as an investment tool to earn passive income. In this beginner's guide to cryptocurrencies, you'll find out how and where crypto can be used as currency. You'll also discover resources to help you learn more about cryptocurrencies, such as online classes, courses, and communities to help you invest wisely. Here's what we cover in this guide to cryptocurrency. 1. Understanding cryptocurrency. 2. Cryptocurrency as an investment tool. 3. Where you can use cryptocurrency. 4. How to get started investing in cryptocurrency. 5. Cryptocurrency classes, courses, and communities. 1. Understanding cryptocurrency. As a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency, we start by answering the most obvious question in a nutshell. What is cryptocurrency? And then go on to elaborate its other aspects, such as where it's used, what are its advantages, whether or not it's a safe investment, and so on. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a decentralized global digital currency that has been around since 2009. It doesn't have a bill or coin or any other physical equivalent. Like we said, it is digital, meaning it's completely virtual or online. It can be used to pay for goods and services in a quick manner, but only by those businesses who accept cryptocurrency, of course. Bitcoin, released in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency. Today there are more than 5,000 types of cryptocurrencies across 20,000 different markets. Cryptocurrency is both a currency and an investment. You can use it to make purchases online, from businesses that accept crypto, trade from person to person, or buy and sell as demand rises and falls. What does decentralized global digital currency mean? The concept of cryptocurrency often intimidates people who haven't followed its history, but its 4 traits are simple to understand. 1. Cryptocurrency is decentralized. Unlike most currencies that link to a centralized location, cryptocurrency operates independently of banks, the government, and the Federal Reserve. The peer-to-peer style, P2P, exchange of cryptocurrency allows investors to interact with each other directly instead of going through a centralized exchange. In this way, it's a sort of digital gold that's not owned or controlled by the government, that could remain valuable through a recession or even depression. 2. Cryptocurrency is global. Cryptocurrency operates the same way worldwide, so there's no need to exchange dollars for euros, rupees, or any other local currency when you travel. 3. Cryptocurrency is digital. Unlike paper money, cryptocurrency exists only online. You can't hold it in your hand or stuff it in a birthday card. 4. Cryptocurrency is currency. Cryptocurrency can be used to purchase products and services globally, but only from businesses that accept it. 2. Cryptocurrency as an investment tool. In 2010, a developer made one of the first tangible purchases with Bitcoin, a pizza for 10,000 Bitcoins. Cryptocurrency's value goes up and down depending on its demand, and many early investors became wealthy from buying and selling Bitcoin. There are many different guides to cryptocurrency trading that recommend several ways to invest in and profit from cryptocurrency. Here we discuss the 2 most common, that anyone can do, ways to invest in cryptocurrency. Buy low, sell high. The most common way to invest is to purchase coins whose value you think will rise. Then sell them when, and if, the value increases. The price of cryptocurrency, very much like stocks, is what people are willing to pay for it, which means it goes up in times of high demand and drops down when demand is low. Dividends. Some coins, such as COS, CFF, NEO, and Qcoin, pay out dividends to people that own them. No, you don't have to buy stocks to get these kinds of dividends. 3. Where you can use cryptocurrency. To use cryptocurrency for purchases, you'll need to find businesses that accept it. The list of companies that accept cryptocurrency grows each year, and in 2020, about 1/3 of small to medium-sized businesses are on that list, plus several corporations. Some national and international businesses that accept Bitcoin as of June 2020 include Microsoft, AT&T, Overstock, Newegg, Etsy. As a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency, it would be worthwhile to mention some other crucial points about the most well-known cryptocurrency here, Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency accepted by retailers, but it is the most popular, making it easier to use when traveling. Because Bitcoin transactions are a peer-to-peer exchange, outside of government control, some countries have made it illegal to use as currency. Countries where Bitcoin is banned, according to a report by Cryptonews, include Afghanistan, Pakistan, Algeria, Bolivia, Bangladesh, the Republic of Macedonia, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Vanuatu, Vietnam. Cryptocurrency is relatively new to the world. Over time, it's likely to gain popularity and become more widely accepted. How to get started investing in cryptocurrencies. You can invest in cryptocurrencies by signing up with any exchange that allows you to purchase them with a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Because U.S. exchanges must be regulated, you will need to verify your ID to trade and invest. For most sites, this is a quick and straightforward process that involves uploading an image of your ID card. We recommend using the Coinbase platform, especially if you're a beginner to cryptocurrency. Coinbase is a US-based, secure platform that people use to buy, sell, store, and manage all types of cryptocurrency. And it complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Most of all, we like it because it makes cryptocurrency fun and super easy for beginners to get started. Cryptocurrency classes, courses, and communities. Learning about cryptocurrency is a little like learning about the stock market. It's easy to get started with the help of this basic guide to cryptocurrency, but as you get more involved, you find yourself more curious and wanting to know how you can make better investments. The following resources will help you learn more about investing. The Complete Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin Trading Course 2020 on Udemy. This bestseller course on Udemy can be thought of as the ultimate beginner's guide to cryptocurrency trading. It teaches how you can earn passive income trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies using technical analysis. Reddit discussion threads. You can browse the latest news and conversation about cryptocurrencies on Reddit. If you're new to cryptocurrency, the Reddit threads may seem a bit advanced, but you'll pick up on things quickly once you start trading. Quora questions and answers. Quora can be an excellent place to ask questions and get well-thought answers, as long as you remember that anyone can answer you. Just remember the golden rule of finance learning: don't believe it's true just because some random person on the internet says so. Get paid to learn about crypto. You can earn up to $121 in cryptocurrencies by watching Coinbase tutorials and learning about different currency types. To decide whether cryptocurrency investing is right for you, research the pros and cons until you can take a non-emotional, intellectual approach to investing.